Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying updates in Power. This prevents abrupt interruptions. Next, open Settings. Press Start, then Settings, or swipe from the edge on mobile. Once inside, go straight to Accessibility or Sound settings where Live Caption or Captions Live. You do this because Captions integrate with audio services. Changing them requires the right panel. Make sure to have any media paused, otherwise Captions may re-enable briefly while you toggle the options. Once inside the Captions panel, locate the Live Caption toggle. It's usually labeled clearly. You flip the switch to off. On many systems, the slider will gray out and the caption icon vanishes. If there are additional checkboxes for auto start or app-specific captions, uncheck those too. Once done, exit Settings and play a short clip to confirm captions no longer appear. If the control is grayed out, it indicates a system permission or admin policy is enforcing caption. To finish, restart your device. This clears lingering services and ensures the change takes effect. If captions persist, check the app or browser you use. Some apps have their own caption settings and extensions can override system controls. Also, make sure accessibility profiles or corporate policies are not forcing captions. If you still see captions, try toggling the setting back on then off again. And lastly, contact the system admin for managed devices, because permissions can prevent permanent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.